Yo, thanks for clicking on the video. Back with another exciting one for you. One I had previously done and hinted at in my 1991 Diamondback Apex video. Basically, everything I have planned, I did. So I'm super excited to show it off. I don't want to give away too much, but I'll show quick little peek montage right now. But yeah, did some really big updates. Makes the bike a dream to ride. As I think I said in the first video, Diamondback / Redline was my kind of dream brand growing up. So to kind of have one finally with that sort of vibe that I wanted, so sick. A lot of what you're seeing is kind of over the course of like almost, I think, 3 months, maybe 2 months, at least the time of filming included like 3 months. Just took my time, wasn't really in a rush. I wanted to make sure that I did everything right. This isn't some uber expensive premium build, but I'm really proud of everything I did, everything I found, kind of the deals I got. All in, I believe I spent, and I'll put up the subtitles and the costing, break it down, but I think I spent, I don't no more than 400, 350. Really proud, excited to show it off.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning, mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shouty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Don't be taking too long. The vibe's too strong. If you don't know how to move, then we moving on. Ain't no way rhythmic feet up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. They keep saying I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women aliens, super foreign, so exotic. Hop in the Mercedes Benz, and I got them crushing like ice pouring above. It's overflowing on us. You drop it, then pick it up. I think I'm falling in love, but shawty, this isn't what you probably thinking it was. It's a vibe out, cooling it for the weekend and such. You gon' find out once you come on and bring me that up. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it.
Shout out to Northwest Hub. I just want to say there are a couple things that I didn't get from them, but generally speaking, pretty much everything on this bike is from them. Everything that I couldn't find online, couldn't find for a good price, anything I needed help with, they were there to do it. It is so important to find a local co-op, bike shop, a homie, not like an actual friend, but just someone that, a place that makes you feel like you're a part of the crew. I think that's really important don't settle for bike shops that make you feel shitty. As you can see from what you're watching so far, or what you're going to see, basically upgraded everything on this bike, even from whatever updates that were made previously. Drivetrain, handlebar stem, fork, front brake. Literally the only thing remaining is the rear wheel, the rear brake, and the pedals. That's pretty much it. Which is not a bad thing, It has been a really cool experience to go to like a hybrid braking system now that I have a disc brake. So that's been really fun. It's very noticeable. Disc brake is obviously better. Not to say that the disc brake that I got is amazing, but it's a nice Shimano brake. Got it for a crazy good deal. I don't remember where off the top of my head anymore now, but got it online. Some random shop for like 20 bucks. So crazy good deal. Super stoked with how the build came out. I highly recommend, regardless of your kind of position in terms of experience in cycling, highly recommend, if you don't have one, to find some sort of 90s, early 2000s MTB type bike that speaks to you and build it up. The cheaper the better. It's kind of fun that way. I'm very lucky with some of the stuff I've found, but even under 50, 100 bucks, being like $400-500 into a bike that, right, so in my position, I've got really good rim brake, really good disc brake, got a micro shift 1x10, really cool, comfy BMX type bars for the BMX stem. It's dope. Basically a one-of-one bike. The frame is already super rare, so you don't just have some generic copy and paste.
gonna take this and this and give you
A princess.
That's really it. Just wanted to keep it short, kind of tight, quick video. Show off what I've done so far. Kind of check that off the list. I know it's March. Should have posted this video sooner, but had some stuff delay me. And then the cheap bike build off happened, which took up all of February. So posting this in March. Gonna go crazy hard the rest of the year. So look forward to that. Appreciate all the support. I've gained like 30, 40 subs, which I was only at like 50 prior. And like, but I've gained like 30, 40 subs like the past month. So thank you so much to everyone who's followed. I hope it seems you've really enjoyed my content. So thanks so much. I really appreciate it. Follow along on Instagram if you haven't already. I post more like daily updates there. So if you kind of are thirsting for some content, check that out. That's about it. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.